Alright folks, welcome back for another edition of Show Me Your Cars. Boy, I got a really exciting one for you today. We're going to walk around. We're at the Easter Car Show in St. Charles at the Family Arena, and we're gonna walk around. I want you to come with me and see what we can find. Dodge Daytona.
It's the same color. You can't wait to go back.
No, now that we survived. Now it's just back to the normal place.
Check out some of the stickers he's got here. All right, here we are back here at this Daytona again. Now this is a real Daytona. I talked to the lady and she said that they owned it for a little over 50 years. Look at how they did the wire mesh on that. What year is your Daytona?
69. They
60?
they only made them 1 year.
Oh, okay.
And they'll make 500 of them.
Oh, wow. That's a very rare one then.
Yeah, it's pretty rare.
Yeah. No, your wife said it was an original. It's not a fake.
Oh, it's real.
Yeah.
I've had it 51 years.
Yeah, that's cool. You can get a video of the back. This thing is so neat. I see this is how this wing is adjusted right here, huh?
Correct.
Very cool. Now you said that 500 of them that they built was part of those race cars too?
No, I don't. Well,
You don't-
I guess if somebody had to, they would make a race car out of
Okay,
one of
but the 500 is on top of what they built for the race car, so they can make a race car out of it.
them. They had to build 500 before NASCAR would allow them.
Right,
Yes.
right.
And then on the Superbirds, they had to make. I was told they had to make one for every dealer, so they had to make 1,800 and some odd.
Oh, okay,
Superbirds.
gotcha.
That was in 7.
Yeah. Okay, that's really interesting. I seen a Superbird here somewhere.
It's right over there, green one.
Okay, yeah, it was a green one
I
for
just
sure.
over there.
All right. All right, folks. Well, if you enjoyed that video, click right up here on the left at the logo, and you can subscribe there. It's free to do. Then right over here on this side is the last video I just did. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. Appreciate it.